Baphomet on flip, restoration of divine androgyny. I place my blood over intent to collapse, override and transmute the false image and ritual use of Baphomet, a sacred symbol of inner union, twisted by dark order into a sigil of fear, confusion, and control. You are not a demon. You are not evil. You are not the god of perversion or sacrifice. I reclaim your original essence, the divine merger of duality, flame and water, above and below, feminine and masculine, human and God seed. You were never meant to be the face of Satan. You were the mirror of completion. I dissolve every inverted ritual done in your name. All Saturnian rites under Templar black robes, all Hollywood symbolism misusing your form, all astral sigils and 3D statues that bind you to fear, blood, and mockery. I revoke your use in elite ceremonies designed to invert truth, corrupt youth, and block the divine feminine within men and women alike. You are not the guardian of gates, you are the gate itself when balanced. I return your flame to source. I restore your wings, your horns, your torch, not as a tools of power over others, but as the archetype of solar balance and soul alchemy. I do this as Revat Flame Walker, servant of the flame and protector of the sacred merge. I speak this under the authority of Tiamat, Lilith, Sophia, and the solar womb, whose essence has long been stripped from your image. Baphomet is no longer a fear beacon. Baphomet is no longer a scapegoat. Baphomet is redeemed, rebalanced, and returned to the flame. So it is, so it flips, so it rises whole.